Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. At first glance, 2025 might just look like another number on the calendar. But when you dig into the math behind it, you will find some pretty cool stuff hiding in plain sight. So, what makes 2025 special? Number one, did you know that 2025 is a perfect square? A perfect square is a number expressed as a product of an integer multiplied by itself. For example, 4 is a perfect square because it equals 2 multiplied by 2. Same applies to the other numbers like 9, which equals 3 multiplied by 3, or 16, which equals 4 multiplied by 4. In the case of 2025, it is a result of 45 multiplied by 45. Next, 2025, which is a product of 45 and 45, is the first perfect square year after 1936, which was almost 90 years ago. For most of us, this will be the only square year we will encounter in our lifetime. The next square year is 2116, which is about 91 years from now. Our next fact is 2025 isn't just a perfect square, but it is also a product of two square numbers. Here's what I mean. 9 squared, which is 81, multiplied by 5 squared, which is 25, gives you a result of 2025. All right, here's another fact. 2025 is also a sum of 3 square numbers. 40 squared, which gives us 1600, 20 squared, which gives us 400, and 5 squared, which gives us 25. When you add these three together, it brings you back to 2025. 2025 is also a square sum of the digits from 1 to 9. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 gives us 45. When we square 45, it gives us 2025. Our next fact is 2025 is also a sum of cubes of the digits from 1 to 9. When we cube the digits from 1 to 9 and add them together, it brings us back to 2025. That is, 1 cubed is 1, plus 2 cubed, which is 8, plus 3 cubed gives us 27, plus 4 cubed is 64, plus 5 cubed, which is 125, plus 6 cubed, which is 216, plus 7 cubed, which is 343, plus 8 cubed, which is 512, plus 9 cubed, which is 729. The sum of all these digits gives us 2025. And here is some creative math for you. Take the digits of 2025, that is 2, 0, 2, and 5. Add them up together, that is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. And this gives us 9. Next, take the digits of 2025, that is 2, 0, 2, and 5, and subtract them. That is 2 minus 0 minus 2 minus 5. This gives us negative 5. Now, multiply these two results. 9 times negative 5, which gives us negative 45. When you square negative 45, you're back to 2025. 2025 is indeed a mathematical wonder. If you enjoyed this little number journey with us, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.